how to send USDC to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of USDC from our Phantom Wallet. So how to do that? Just open your Phantom Wallet, and now as you can see, scroll down. So as you can see, I can't find the USDC. So if you can't find the USDC, what you need to do, now just go back and open your exchange platform that you use. For me, I will use the Binance. Now what you need to do here, we need to convert USDC to Solana to be able to send it to Phantom Wallet. Now from the top left corner, tap on this little square, and as you can see here, just scroll down and tap on more services. Now from the search bar, now tap or type convert like that. Now as you can see, select it. And now as you can see, we can convert the USDC to Solana. Now in the from, now tap on it, and now search for the USDC that you want to convert. So after you find it, now just tap on it. Now in the to section, just tap here, and now search for Solana that you want to convert your USDC to. So after that, what you need to do, now type here how much you want to convert, like 1000, as you can see. So now scroll down, as you can see, and now click on preview, and you can confirm the conversion. So after you convert your USDC to Solana, now you can send it to your Phantom Wallet. So how to do that? Now go back and open Wallet. So now after we convert USDC to Solana, now we need to get the withdrawal address of Solana from our Phantom Wallet. So how to do that? Just click on Solana like that, and I will just go back, and as you can see here, just tap on receive, and now we can copy the withdrawal address of Solana. So after you copy it, now go back and open your BINANCE, and now just go back. Now tap on assets, and now from the top bar, select the spot, and now tap on withdraw, and from the search, now select the Solana like that. So after that, tap on send via crypto network. And now in the address, you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Phantom Wallet, and in network, leave it as Solana. Now in the amount, just type how much you want to transfer, and after that, tap on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token to your Phantom Wallet. So this is how to send USDC to Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.